Hello everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy. I'm going to do a short review on the yarn available in the UK Wilko store, formerly known as Wilkinson's. They've had baby yarn in for quite some time, but it used to be quite scratchy. Although the quality has improved, I still haven't really used it because there are so much better quality baby yarns out there for around about the same price. It has improved, however, but recently they've had some new yarns in, such as this Lauren ombre yarn. Really impressed with this actually. It's quite soft and really nice colourways. They also have it in this colour. I've used this one obviously and been making a project with it, and I've been very pleased with the way it's made up. It's really crocheted quite nicely. Now these are 100-gram balls. They are 80% acrylic, 20% polyamide, and the strange thing about them is all of these Lauren yarns, they do not say whether they believe it to be a double knit or whether it's an Aran weight yarn. Now personally, I think it's quite a thick double knit. It did crochet up thicker than the other double knits that I was using. Whether it's quite an Aran weight, I don't know, but they recommend a 4.5 to 5mm hook. These cakes also, now these seem a little bit thicker than those ombre yarns, and I think the texture of this reminds me very much of the Caron cakes, although the balls are much smaller obviously. Now they're 100 grams, but this is 80% acrylic and 20% wool, and they recommend a 4.5 hook. But as I say, I think this is slightly thicker than that. It comes in this colourway. It's a nice beige colour with a little bit of a tan and a grey fleck, which is really pretty. They also do it with a really lovely variegated blue, and in this colour. The only one I've used so far is this. I've been making a handbag with it, and well, it's going to be an across the body bag because I don't like carrying things. Long way from being finished, but I have made the liner and bought some stuff to put in the bottom, some magnetic clasps, and I'm going to make a handle, which will be a bit of a challenge I think, because it's going to say it's across the body. Well, that's all I've got as far as Wilkinson's or Wilko yarn is concerned. They do a few others, but it's mostly the baby wools or double knit. So before I go, it would be great if you would subscribe to my channel and click on that little bell at the side, and you'll get notified of many new videos that get uploaded. And if you could give this video a thumbs up, that would be great. It would really help me grow my channel. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye for now.